Welcome to this explainer. Today we are totally ditching the mouse and transforming you into a software speed demon. I am so pumped you're here. Listen, just think about the physical toll and the friction of how you work right now. The constant, repetitive shifting of your hand from your keyboard over to your mouse day in and day out. Think about how much time you actually spend clicking, dragging, and hunting through endlessly nested menus every single day. Well, today we're going to change all of that. We're unlocking the true power of your keyboard and getting you into a pure, uninterrupted state of flow. 90%. That's a massive number, right? Over 90% of the population uses a computer system. Yet, despite this widespread adoption, most of us are actively, literally slowing ourselves down by constantly reaching for the mouse to point and click. Now, you might think, hey, it's just a split second, but every single time your hand leaves that keyboard, you're losing precious time. And honestly, more importantly, you're breaking your cognitive focus. You step right out of the zone. So let's really dive into this. What exactly is a shortcut key and why should you even care? Simply put, it's a direct route. Instead of dragging a cursor all the way across your screen, hunting through drop-down menus and clicking while just hoping you hit the right option, you just press a combination of keys at the same time. It's essentially a secret language that lets you communicate directly with your machine, completely bypassing the clunky graphic interface. And the benefits here? They go way, way beyond just saving a few isolated seconds. Whether you're a student cramming a massive research paper at midnight, an office worker buried deep in a data-heavy spreadsheet, or a creative trying to capture a spark before it vanishes, mastering these shortcuts drastically reduces the friction of everyday work. It's really all about achieving that magical state of flow, where the computer just effortlessly keeps up with your thoughts, letting you navigate and execute commands like an absolute pro. All right, here is our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The basics of speed, 2. Navigating Microsoft Windows, 3. Hacking MS Excel, 4. Mastering MS Word, and 5. Perfecting PowerPoint presentations. Let's get into it. Section 1. The basics of speed. Okay, these are your absolute bread and butter mechanics for moving data around without ever touching a mouse. Pretty much everyone knows Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste right. But the alternative options, Control+Insert to copy and Shift+Insert to paste, are actually brilliant if you want to keep your hands firmly planted on the right side of the keyboard. Depending on your posture, these secondary shortcuts can be way more ergonomic. And of course, Control-X or Control-Delete will cut an item entirely. Master just these, and you've already doubled your baseline speed. Now think about the contrast between inching your way through a document and instantly teleporting exactly where you need to go. Moving word by word with Control plus the left or right arrow is great for super precise, slow editing. But when you're dealing with a massive 50-page report, please do not scroll endlessly. Hitting Control plus Home snaps you instantly to the very beginning, and Control plus N shoots you straight to the bottom. It's literally the difference between a tortoise and a rocket ship. Massive time saver. Moving right along to Section 2, Navigating Microsoft Windows. These commands are your juggling tools. Alt plus Tab, that is your absolute best friend when multitasking. It lets you seamlessly flip between your open programs. Think about how useful that is for pulling up your notes while reading an article on your browser, all without ever touching the mouse. When you're done, Alt plus F4 instantly shuts down your current app. And if you need to quickly launch something brand new, Control plus Escape brings up your start menu immediately. You know how annoying it is when tasks take multiple right-clicks? Well, now they can happen in a single decisive keystroke. Selecting a file and pressing F2 lets you instantly rename it, which totally saves you from that frustrating moment where Windows thinks you want to open the file instead of renaming it because of a sloppy double-click. F5 refreshes your current window. Alt plus print screen takes a precise screenshot of just your active window, keeping your messy desktop out of the shot. And if you want to bypass the recycling bin completely, Shift plus Delete wipes that file permanently. Just be very, very careful with that one. All right, Section 3. Hacking MS Excel. Excel can be a total beast, right? Preparing a lengthy sheet gets tedious fast. But highlighting massive datasets is completely effortless when you can grab an entire row or column with just 2 fingers. Forget trying to click the tiny little letter at the top of a column and dragging down thousands of rows. If your active cell is in the column you want, just hit Control plus space, and boom, the whole column highlights. Need the row? Shift plus space grabs it all. It is incredibly satisfying to use. Picture this. You're staring down a massive ledger. Instead of typing out long formulas, Alt plus the equals sign instantly initiates an auto-sum for all the cells directly above it. Need to figure out a more complex formula? Shift plus F3 pops open the formula window. Want to stamp today's date on that ledger? Control plus semicolon drops it right in. And to instantly visualize that data for an impromptu meeting, hitting F11 generates a chart right before your eyes. You don't even have to look away from your screen. Next up, Section 4, Mastering MS Word. You can bounce your paragraphs around the page so seamlessly using these simple alignment keys. Seriously, there's no need to hunt for those tiny alignment icons in the toolbar anymore. Control L for left, Control R for right, Control E for center, and a good trick is to think of the word equator to help remember that one, and Control J to justify the text, giving you those super clean, even margins on both sides. It makes formatting a huge document feel incredibly fluid. Quickly styling your text keeps your flow completely uninterrupted. The classics are all here, Control B, I, and U for bold, italic, and underline. But wait, have you ever accidentally typed an entire sentence with caps lock on? Yeah, me too. Highlighting it and pressing Shift plus F3 instantly cycles the text through uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. Absolute lifesaver. And if your document's formatting gets completely wrecked from copy and pasting off the web, highlighting it and pressing Control plus space strips away all that weird styling and resets it right back to your default font. And finally, Section 5, Perfecting PowerPoint Presentations. These shortcuts ensure you can build out a slide deck rapidly and launch your presentation flawlessly. When you're building a story, hitting Control M instantly drops a brand new blank slide right after your current one. If you have a complex layout that you want to reuse, Control D instantly duplicates it. And when you're actually standing in front of an audience, there is nothing worse than nervously fumbling for that tiny present button with your mouse. Tapping F5 launches your slideshow flawlessly from the very beginning, projecting total confidence. Need to bail out? Just hit escape and you're right back in the editor. Let's wrap things up with the final boss, FAQ Lifesavers. Whether you need to grab every single word you've typed or quickly panic hide your current window, these commands are your master keys. Control A is your universal selector. It grabs absolutely everything in your document instantly. Control F4 is fantastic for quickly closing just the current file without shutting down the entire application and losing your place. And Control F9, that's going to instantly minimize your current window, sweeping it completely out of sight in a flash. But of course, we've got to address the most critical question from the FAQs. What happens when the worst-case scenario actually strikes? You make a catastrophic formatting mistake, or worse, you accidentally delete an entire page of hard work that took you hours to write. Your heart just drops into your stomach, right? Boom, crisis completely averted. Control Z simply undoes your last action. It is the ultimate digital safety net. By relying on these shortcuts across all your software, you're removing all that physical and mental friction between your brain and your work. You keep your hands on the keys, you stay in your flow state, and you've officially unlocked the cheat codes for your computer. So the only real question left to ask is, what are you going to do with all the hours you're about to save? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you next time.